What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and this is my first episode of the Away from the Pit playlist. I want to thank Jimmy Gillentine. He's a member of the American Smoke Carnivores Facebook group. He suggested that name, and I like it, man. Away from the Pit sounds good. You also make sure to go over to Bo's Backyard Barbecue on YouTube. Check his channel out. Super authentic, great cooks, just a really authentic American guy making barbecue in his backyard. Y'all make sure and check that out. That being said, the first product that I'm going to review on the Away from the Pit playlist is something that I think is really cool. I found this on TikTok the other day, and I think that you will find it as useful as I find it. Now, if y'all have one of these torches, or if you ever use one of these tanks right here for anything, you know that eventually it's going to run out, and then you've got to figure out what to do with it, how to dispose of it. If you're like me, you feel kind of bad putting it into the garbage can. You know, when they're gonna come by and crush it with the garbage truck, so you know, you hide it down in the garbage bag to where the garbage man can't see it and just cross your fingers. I don't know what else you're supposed to do with them, but anyway, that's probably the wrong thing to do. Anyway, I have found a solution to my problem, and it's also a huge money saver. This got a big lightning storm going on right now, by the way, in case y'all are hearing all this thunder rolling and lightning striking here in the South. It's been a pretty long 24-hour period. Lots of storms. Found this little product on TikTok and thought I would get it myself, try it out. And I have yet to use it. What it is it allows you to fit a tank, a big tank, with this valve and just refill your smaller tanks. Instead of having to go and buy more of these and have these things laying around all over the place, just refill them. Let's get it out of the box. These are just caps to go on these tanks. I don't know why they send you. There's 4 of them. And it's just caps for these tanks. Maybe the point is that they leak, and if you put one of these on there, it'll stop it from leaking. So refill them, put one of these on, and stop it from leaking. Hey, bonus, man. Oh, by the way, I'll leave a link to where I got this thing from. I did not get this off TikTok. I got this off Amazon. I'm not great on buying stuff off TikTok. I'll usually go and see if I can find it on Amazon, because I trust Amazon. I've bought thousands of things from Amazon, so most of my links that you see are all going to be Amazon links or affiliate links directly from the manufacturer. But I think it's pretty straightforward, man. All you do is you just attach this. Whoa. Whoa, that was close. Okay, back to the tank of explosive gas. All you do is you just attach this thing on here. Simple. This, maybe rotate it up or to the side maybe. Yeah, because we've got a gauge here that shows how much fuel is in the tank. Detach it from our gun. We can see that this is empty. Just fumes in there, nothing. More. Maybe I should have picked a better day to do this. I'm just going to attach that to there. Screw it in all the way. Now we just turn on the tank. And open up the valve. You can hear it filling. All right, so I don't hear anything else. Let's see, close this up, close this. Undo this. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not sure if that worked. It doesn't feel heavy. We'll see what it do. There we go, baby. We got fuel. All right. That worked pretty good. It did not fill it up. I'm going to be working on that to figure out what we got to do to get the pressure to where it will fill it up. But hey, I got a tank. I didn't have one. I can use my torch to light my pellet tube where I'm about to be doing some hot and fast chicken wings. So that video is coming up here in just a minute. Okay, so I knew something wasn't right. I was putting this video out and I was thinking, man, I don't even know if I can put this video out because there didn't hardly any gas even go into my tank. This is gonna be a joke. And so I was like, well, at least let me go ahead and get my Amazon, my Amazon affiliate link for this video so I can put it in the description so people can check it out for themselves. And then I get to looking at the product and it's like, oh yeah, you gotta flip this tank upside down. Duh. Okay, so you will need to be able to flip it upside down. And hopefully what we're about to find out is that we get a full tank here. So let's go ahead and get that out, see if we can get it going. Oh, you need to open this up. And don't do like I did earlier in the video and fire the torch right beside the tank. That was not smart. I'm sure I wasn't the first one to notice that. You can tell me in the comments section below, did you go when I did it? Because when I watched the video and I saw myself do it, I saw what I did. Okay, so now let's turn it on and see how it does. Oh yeah, you can really hear it filling up now. Now we just got to unscrew it and see if it weighs more than it did before. So we're going to turn it off here. We're going to tilt this up, turn it off at the tank. So if y'all been watching this channel long enough, y'all know that Zach is not perfect and he does not pretend to be. That's just another example of my humanity. But this thing's nice and cold now, so looks like we might have actually got some fuel in there. Oh yeah, there's some in there now. You can actually feel it sloshing around. I could not feel that before. So let's get this thing moved out of the way. See if we got some fire, baby. Yeah, because I lit a fire in the backyard with it the other day after I filled it, and what was in it burned out in about a minute and a half of use. So we got some in there now. That's good to know. That works so much better than when it was turned up. Anyway, make sure to flip your tank upside down. Y'all, check out this product. It's a great little something to have, and it wasn't very expensive. I think it was less than 20 bucks. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below. Thanks so much for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next product review video.